Okay, try this again. There's a deer over there. Can y'all see that? See the eyes through the trees? I think they're coming up on here. Anyway, she was standing in the driveway, and I think her boyfriend ran off in that direction. He's a big old fella too. Let's see how close I can get to her. She was cutting out though. Oh, I just heard her make a noise. She made a... There she is. Y'all see her? Let's see how close I can get. There you be, pretty tame. There she goes. Right there. There we go. I don't think this is picking that up too wonderful. Anyway, I ain't got many hours in the day out here. I'm just getting off of work. It's Saturday. You know, I gotta feed the chickens, and I gotta just kind of give a look around. The yard's a mess. We had a storm come through a couple days ago. Anyway, I gotta do what the chores is I can do during the night. Just wish I had more time, but they're asking me to work more than what I'm working now. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. We'll take a quick look at the garden. I ain't seen it in a while. Oh shoot, I gotta open this up. Oh Lord, I hope anything ain't got too hot in here. So I'll be doing seed starts soon, but everything's just kind of on hold till I can do that. That big buck ran off that way. I saw a 6-point cross the road up in the front. He's a big body 6-point. Green onions doing good. Oh look, tarragon and that cilantro's trying. Look at the peas. I put peas on the back. They coming up. They doing well. Cilantro's doing alright. Huh. This light makes it flicker somewhat weird. I don't know what that's all about. Some oregano making it back. So that's good. The garlic, I must have got some fertilizer down up in there, because it shouldn't be falling over like that. Again, peas in the back coming up. And the same thing should be over here. Yeah, peas. I got some onions. They look like they're struggling. That's seeds I saved. But the peas are coming up really nice along the... Oh, look at them. These onions are doing okay. They thin themselves out quite nicely though. Guess nicely ain't the word I want to use, but I was hoping they would be thicker. But anyway, that's what it is. The peas are doing fine. Look at the peas in here. Wow. And then over here, wow. Nice. Yeah, more peas. Doing pretty good. Green onions. More peas and some elephant garlics that grew off of corms. Pretty good. A few more onions on this one and some peas right there on the back. Onions are doing all right. They slow growing though. Whoo, they slow growing. I thought they should have been further along. And I fertilized. More peas on there. Oh, and the beets took a hit. They took a hit. There's some peas on the back of this. I put peas everywhere. I'm trying to get a really good crop of peas. And these, something just ate the crud out of these beets, but they're putting out little bitty leaves, so they might come back when it warms up, but I don't know. There it is right there. That's what's eating them. Look at that. I caught him. You little sucker. Look at that. Squished. That's what's been eating them. Huh. Look at this. Right there. Poink. Huh. That's what's eating them. Squish them. Oh, there's another one. Holy crud. Holy moly. Pop. Look, I see them all over. Now. Where'd he go? There he is. Gone. Can feel him popping. Now that I'm seeing, they are everywhere. Oh man, they're everywhere. Look at this. Jeez. Louise. What the heck? See those worms? They're everywhere. God, don't. Oh my goodness, look at the size of that one. Oh. Smush. Look, there's another one. Look at these worms. Huh. Y'all gonna fertilize my... They everywhere. Look at that. Jeez, oh pigs. I can't believe that. Look at that one right there. On the ground. Smack. Smush. No wonder. That's what's eating them. I wouldn't see them during the day. You come out at night and there they are. Everywhere. I see another one right here. Look at that. Smush. There's one right there. Smush. They all over. All over. They call, I thought that was army worms, but they look a lot bigger. Gee. I killed a whole bunch of them. Well, I didn't expect that to be on the video, but one of the reasons I wanted to get on the video today, I'm gonna go get the chicken feed and stuff ready. I wanted to try and tell y'all gonna see a few videos popping up on my site that have absolutely nothing to do with homestead, and it's just some videos I converted over to from VHS to digital, and some of them are from way back. It's kind of embarrassing to put some of that stuff up there, but you know, some of it's pretty cool. I got some old friends from way back when we were young boys and grew up together, went to college together, you know, high school, played football together. I'm gonna put up some of those videos, so don't freak out and think what the heck has happened to this channel. It's just stuff that I want to put on there. The channel was always basically going to be a journal for me. It was a journal for my journey into homesteading, and something for my daughter to go back and always look, you know, when I'm long gone. She can always have that for her memory. So if y'all see that, don't freak out. Don't think, oh God, what has he turned his channel into? So anyway, that's what's gonna happen. Trying to see, there's usually some deers hanging out right here. Look, the rose is blooming. So anyway, I just wanted y'all to know I'm gonna be doing some different videos for a little while. I can't really make homesteading videos because y'all see I'm doing this at night. The other day I got this in. This is pretty cool. I got a bunch of trees in. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are two-layer English walnuts. I got some heartnut walnut trees, some butternut white walnut tree, then just a regular English walnut tree. Yeah, I got that from Tai Nursery. So I really want to try and see if I can get walnuts growing. I love walnuts, so I'm gonna try. They packaged in here, but this was quite a little fortune to buy. They came in just the other day too. I guess that's where they put the graph on right here for the two-layer. I bought 2 of them. So those were pretty expensive if I remember. The rest of these, man, they don't really take too much care of them. When the last one I bought, I was really impressed with. But see, I don't know why they cut the tops of them off like that. I guess it's just what they do. But anyway, I'm gonna be dealing with that soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my chicken feed and go to the coops. I ain't gonna really bring y'all out there with y'all. I just wanted y'all to know I'm getting ready to do some videos y'all might find a little odd. If y'all want to watch them, that's fine. I don't expect anyone to watch videos from my youth. It's just stuff I'm putting up there. Some of my friends are gonna be interested to see that. They can watch them. Just be a few people that'll probably be interested in that. And that's what we're gonna do. You're gonna see that. I might even put up some of my old football videos, which are terrible. They're horrible. But that's what happens to VHS, I guess. Anyway, y'all take care. I'm getting ready to feed chickens. This feed right here. This is a Purina product, I believe. But my chickens are laying. I know everybody's talking about chickens ain't laying. Mine, I supplement their food. I let them out whenever I can to roam around, and that's only 2 days a week now, because only 2 days a week do I get home. I get up at 4:30 in the morning to go to work. I don't get home till 8 o'clock at night. 2 days out of the week, I get home when the sun's still up, so I let them roam, and they free range. It used to be they free range basically every day, but now every 2 days I gotta feed them and water them with this. And I plan on increasing my flock because I bought another incubator. Actually, it should have been inside. I went inside. I didn't see it. So we'll see. All right, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. All right, I was coming back out here to my chickens, and there she is again. She don't want to leave. I guess it ain't picking her up. I think I just caught her eye. I don't know. This is weird. Let's see if she likes that. Oh, that's making it pop up better. There she is. Yeah, y'all can see her. Alright, anyway. Go feed the chicken quickly. I spread some corn out and I went to spin my feeder for her. Oh, another big branch came out of that tree right there. Just coming to see if they had any few eggs here. Okay, I didn't crack that one. Alright. So that's the 6 one right there. I'll fix those latches. Any eggs? Nope. Sometimes they lay out here. Acorns right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. Okay, that's 4. 10, 14 eggs. 14 eggs. It's not bad for about 2 days. Big eggs too. Whoever's laying these olive eggs, I'm gonna definitely hatch out from her. Take a look in there. See if there's any rail. Yeah, look. I think I see one. I don't know how I'm gonna get that one. Hey, this'll work. If I can get it. Oh no, that's a PVC pipe. Okay. Nice little hen right there. Everybody's doing all right. Yeah, it's just a PVC pipe that was in here. All right, y'all. Alrighty. Got the egg. Chickens are fed and warm. Alright. Have a good night.